How to use YouTube's trending tab. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser and go to the official website youtube.com. Sign in or log into your account. On the left panel, scroll down. Here you will see a section called Explore. This is the trending section. There are categories like music, gaming and sports. Click on music. Now you can scroll down and watch all the trending musics on YouTube. By going to post, you can see all the posts related to music. Along with that, in the home page, you will find different categories and section and all the trending sounds under that. Click on gaming to see all the videos that are trending for gaming. You can also find new games to play under this section. Along with that, we have sports. If you are interested in sports and you need update on all the games, then you can click right here. In this section, you will find all the popular games that are happening right now worldwide. This way, it will be really easier for you to find new updates and news. That's all for today. Thank you.